Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a Wi-Fi password using command prompt CMD. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is open up command prompt, so click search and type in CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. Click onto yes, and now command prompt will be open. From here we want to type in net sh, hit enter. Then from here, type in WLAN show profile, then hit enter. And now from here, we need to choose which profile you want to see. So now for this demonstration, if I want to see my Wi-Fi password for TUTS S25, keep that in mind. So what we need to write here, so type in WLAN show profile, and then double quote, and now I'm going to copy this, so I'm going to highlight it, copy it, Control C and Control V, end it in a double quote, and then space key equals clear, and then hit enter. And now all this information is going to appear about that user profile, so it's going to have the version, type, name, etc. But to see the Wi-Fi password, go to security settings, and where it says key content, that is the Wi-Fi password right there.